everyone, it's Korea Viewlog. Like always, today we'll be visiting a special place in the suburbs of Seoul. Today's vlog will be at Incheon 월미도. You can experience different amusement facilities and feel the ocean as well here. Because it's by the ocean, it may be a little windy, so my voice may not be clear, but please understand. So, are you ready to walk with me today? First time showing Korea's ocean, so please be excited and show some love. Please send lots of chat messages, and there may be a slight delay, but I'll try my best to answer all of your questions. Let's get going. So this is the ocean, and next to it is the Wolmi Cultural Street in 월미도. There's a reason why it's called the Cultural Street. It's because there has been a variety of different events, such as cultural art performances and festivals since 1989 July, and it's still ongoing till today. Also, this place used to be an island, but now it's a popular tourist attraction like you can see, after the space in between the land and the island was filled. Oh, and you can see that there's an observatory next. Let's go on up. We're gonna go up and see the view and see how 월미도 looks from up high. Aren't you guys curious? So we're being careful going up, and we have arrived at the round observatory. We're gonna take a look. We're already up. You can hear the people enjoying the ocean. Yeah, the weather is superb. It's a little windy but not too sunny. We thought it would rain. Oh, and you can see the sea trail. Can you guys hear the ocean? So you can see the long bridge in front of the ocean. On the left, it's Songdo, and on the right is Yongjeong. Do you know what the bridge is called? Yes, Incheon is on the left of Seoul. This is called the Intern Bridge, and it connects Songdo and Yeongjongdo Island. Do you guys have an amusement park that you wanted to go before? So these are arcades like punching bags. They're not open right now, but I assume that it's because it's during the weekday. The last concert you went was in 2019 before COVID. Yes, it's the railroad above our head. Oh, now we're already in the entrance of Wolmi Theme Park. I'm so excited to be at a theme park. I haven't been to one since such a long time. Do you guys have a favorite ride? I like the flume ride the best. I know, the sky is so amazing. Do you guys have any recommendations on rides? We're entering the theme park, and right in front of us we can see the flume ride and the merry-go-round. Yes, the left is the flume ride, and it looks like a mini flume ride for children. And there are other rides as well. It's the weekday, so not a lot of people are visiting, so some rides aren't open. And since it's a place where lots of kids visit, you can see that there's a lot of rides for children. There are gun games and other arcade stuff. There's a variety of different games that you can bet with your friends if you visit here. So in front of us is the Tadaga Disco Kwang. It's a ride where you try to keep your balance while it's dancing like a tambourine and the DJ hosts music. It's really fun. And on the left is the Viking. It's the world's first Viking built on the second floor. Isn't it amazing? Looking at the chat, it looks like the most voted ride is the Ferris Wheel. So we'll ride it. So the Wolmi Theme Park is a tourist attraction spot that has appeared on many TV shows like Netflix's Extracurricular, Giant K, 대탈출, Running Man, and they all filmed here at the Wolmi Theme Park. This is the Ferris Wheel. They're so colorful. Yes, it is really bigger than I imagined too. It's a lot bigger than I thought up close. It's so high up that my neck hurts looking up to it. It's actually my first time riding a Ferris wheel, which makes it so exciting. No, there isn't a separate entrance fee. We have to pay them when we ride on them. We're gonna go on the Ferris wheel right now. I'm so excited, it's my first time. Are you guys ready? I know the roller coasters are too scary. We're finally in the Ferris wheel. Let's sit down and enjoy the view from up here. So this Ferris wheel goes up to 115 meters high and we'll be able to see the whole ocean of Incheon up here. So we wait. You can also see people taking pictures in front of the ocean view. Can you guys see it? Oh, and the Ferris wheel is also really famous as a romantic spot for couples where their loves come true. So if you're a couple, I recommend it to you. Yeah, it's really romantic. How was Korea Viewlog in 월미도 today? I had so watching the Korea's ocean and trying the rides in theme park for the first time with you guys. We'll share more beautiful and amazing places in Korea next time. We'll meet again next Wednesday at 2 p.m. Korean time. Bye!